Welcome to another how-to video. In today's video, let me show you how you can automatically move emails to specific folders in Gmail. Now, you can see that I am in All Mail tab, so all you have to do is click any mail you like to filter, like mine is Roblox. While you are inside your mail, click the three dots beside Move To. After that, click Filter Messages like this. Now you can see that the From section is already named. It's up to you if you want to fill up the other forms. After that, click Create Filter. While we are inside of it, check the box and click Choose Label. Click the label and name it like mine is Roblox. After that, click Create. Check the box also that Apply Filters located at the bottom of the choices. It's up to you if you want to check other boxes. And that's it. That's how you automatically move emails to a specific folder in Gmail. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you next time.